if Melody has more classical records than rock and roll records, she is willing to exchange exactly one classical record for two rock and roll records. But if she has more rock and roll records than classical records, then she is willing to exchange exactly one rock and roll record for two classical records. Melody has convex preferences. Okay, so the goods are classical records and rock and roll records. So let me call them as goods X and Y. Okay, so X is classical record and good X is classical record, good Y is your rock and roll records. So the discrimination line is when she has more of classical records or more of rock and roll records. So the discrimination line becomes X equals to Y. To the right of this line, she has X greater than Y. X in this case is classical records. So she has more classical records. Y is basically your rock and roll records. So the left side is going to be Y greater than X, which is more rock and roll records. Okay. Now she is willing to exchange exactly one classical record for two rock and roll records. Okay, so she is willing to when she has more classical records. So focus on this part. Let me erase this thing. Okay, so when she has more classical records, she is willing to exchange one classical record for two rock and roll records. Okay, so more classical records means X greater than Y. Okay, so in the X greater than Y situation, when she has more classical records, she is willing to exchange one classical record for two rock and roll records, which implies one X for 2Y, because X is classical records and Y is rock and roll records. Okay, so so delta X when it is 1, delta Y will be minus 2. Okay, so delta X by delta Y becomes equal to minus 1 by 2, which is basically your MRS, negative of MRS. So MRS is negative of dx by dy. So MRS becomes equal to 1 by 2. So in this situation, you have MRS equals to 1 by 2. So remember the definition of MRS. MRS was minus of dx by dy. Okay, so delta x by delta y could also be written as dx by dy for very small values. So here MRS is half. Similarly, here you will get MRS equals to 2. Okay, so MRS is 2 here, MRS is half here. Now if you draw the indifference curves, MRS is 2 here, so the slope will be steeper, and MRS is half here, so slope will be flatter. So the ICs will look like this. Okay, yeah. स्लोप देख के करो ना, slope MRS is slope, right? So slope is 2 here, slope is half here. So जिसका slope ज़्यादा वो steeper. Slope ज़्यादा मतलब steeper होगा ना. If I say K2 का slope is greater than Mount Everest का slope, if I make this statement, okay, in general K2 is considered harder to climb than Mount Everest because it is steeper. Even though Mount Everest is taller, K2 is steeper. So if I just tell you that slope of K2 is taller, higher than Mount Everest, then तुम एक imagination अगर करोगे अपना, so you will maybe draw Mount Everest like this and K2 like this. That it is smaller yet it is steeper. So बस वही सोचना है कि slope ज़्यादा है तो it's going to be steeper. So यहाँ मैंने ज़्यादा स्लोप वाली लाइन लगा दी और यहाँ पे कम स्लोप वाली लाइन लगाई. यू डोंट नीड टू कैरी प्रोट्रैक्टर इन योर एग्जाम एंड देखना है एग्जैक्टली कि स्लोप 2 मतलब साइन थीटा इतना होना चाहिए, वो सब नहीं करना है हमको. यू जस्ट नीड टू बी एबल टू कंपेयर दैट दिस इज स्टीपर एंड दिस इज फ्लैटर. दैट्स ऑल आई नीड फ्रॉम यू गाइज. ओके, so this is steeper, this is flatter. Now the next step is convexity check करनी है. So for checking convexity, draw any one indifference curve. So one of the indifference curves will look like this. Okay, Now remember, convexity means ki the set above the indifference curve, it should be convex. So this is the set above the indifference curve, so I need this set to be convex. So is this set convex or not? So I take any 2 points in this set, connect it, they will always be inside the set. Okay, so yes, this set is convex. So she should have convex preferences. This set is convex. Wait, did I make a mistake? When she has more classical records, that is when x is greater than y, she is willing to exchange one. Okay. uh yeah, एक सेकेंड. हाँ हाँ, so MRS is dy by dx. This is your MRS, which is amount of y willing to exchange for 1 unit of x, right? So this was the definition of MRS. Okay, so when x is greater than y, she is willing to exchange or y willing to exchange, willing to exchange for one amount of x willing to exchange for 1 unit of y. Okay, इसलिए that, sorry, uh, sorry, I applied the definition wrong. Amount of x willing to exchange for 1 unit of y. So here you are willing to exchange 1x for 2y. Okay, so you are willing to exchange 1x for 2y, so half x for 1y. So 1 by 2 is the MRS. Half is the MRS, right? No, wait. X greater than y. X greater than y is my right hand side, right? This is my x greater than y situation. In the x greater than y situation, I am saying that you are willing to exchange 1x for 2y. So you are willing to exchange half x for 1y, right? You are willing to exchange half x for 1y. Okay, so MRS becomes equal to half, because MRS is basically amount of x you are willing to exchange for 1 unit of y. So MRS should be half. So that's what I drew here. I drew MRS equals to half, right? I don't see the mistake really. I think the answer is wrong. It should be true. When x greater than y, MRS equals to 2. Yeah, if that would be the case, the answer would be right. But that's what I am unable to see here. Wait, कहाँ गड़बड़ कर रहा हूँ मैं? I'm saying when x is greater than y, you're willing to exchange one classical record. When classical records are greater than rock and roll records, you exchange one classical record for 2 rock and roll records. Okay, MRS is equals to dy by dx minus or dy by dx. Okay, so this is your y and this is your x. Oh yes, sorry. So dy is going to be 2 minus 2 and dx is going to be 1. So MRS is negative of that, so minus of minus 2 by 1, so that is 2. Oh sorry, yes. MRS is dy by dx. You are exchanging one classical record for 2 rock and roll records. So change in amount of y is 2 for 1 unit change in x. Sorry, यहाँ मैंने dx by dy ले लिया था क्या? Sorry, I took delta x by delta y here. Yeah, my bad. Sorry, I see the mistake now. Yeah, so the MRS would be 2 for the right side case. Yeah. So here you will have MRS equals to 2. here you will have MRS equals to 2, and here you will have MRS equals to half. So you will have steeper curves here and flatter curves here and steeper curves here. So now this set won't be convex. Now if you look at the set above the indifference curve, this set is no longer convex, because if you take any 2 points on this set and connect them, there will be a part of this line segment lying outside the yellow region. Okay, so this is no longer convex, so that's why the answer is correct, false.